Come. I have a powerful information for you. Have you heard about glycemic index? If it's no, go and bring your seat and sit down because I'm going to be explaining about glycemic index, everything you need to know about glycemic index. Have you noticed that when somebody is diagnosed of diabetes, or the person is pre-diabetic and he goes to hospital, the first thing he will come back home is the list of do's and don'ts on what to eat and what not to eat. And somebody asks, why did they give all this list? Let me tell you, that list that doctor gave to him, what the doctor used to give that list is what I'm about to show you. This is known as glycemic index. Then what is glycemic index? This glycemic index is just a numerical system that is used to rank carbohydrate containing food on how quickly or slowly they raises the blood sugar after you finish taking them. And this ranges from 0 to 100. That means the higher the value, the higher the glycemic index. And glycemic index of food is categorized into three. Number one, low glycemic index. 2, medium glycemic index. 3, high glycemic index. What is low glycemic index? These are food that ranges from 0 to 55. They are classified as low glycemic index. Why? Because they digest gradually and their carbohydrates or the sugar level is being absorbed into the bloodstream gradually, and they also gradually raises the blood sugar. For example, most vegetables belongs to this class. Some fruits belong to this class, whole grains. Then number 2 is medium glycemic food index. These are the one that ranges from 56 to 69. So any food that their glycemic index for here is known as the medium. That means they moderately digest and they absorb into the bloodstream. And we now have the final one, the food with high glycemic index. This ranges from 70 upward. Any food that have high glycemic index from 70 to 100 is classified as high glycemic index. An example of such like your white bread, white rice, processed food, and the likes. What are the benefits of the knowledge of this glycemic index? Number 1, for you who is healthy, it will help you to make the right choice on the food to eat to continuously remain healthy. And for people who are already diabetic or pre-diabetic, it will help you in management of your blood sugar. You know what to eat, what not to eat. It will also help you to know what to eat, what the measures to take when you eat the things that tends to rise your blood sugar. The second one is what? Weight management. Weight management for people who are already adding weight. When you understand the glycemic index of the food you eat, it will help you to what in your weight management, because food with low glycemic index is very good for weight management. The health of your heart. It will help you to to maintain your heart properly, because food that are low in glycemic index helps your heart to function properly. And what are the factors that affect glycemic index of food? Number 1, fiber content. Food with high fiber content are generally low in glycemic index. Number 2, processing. Processed food have higher glycemic index unlike unprocessed food. Number 3, ripeness. Fruits that are more ripened have high glycemic index. For instance, your plantain. Unripe plantain and ripe plantain do not have the same glycemic index. The other one is the method of cooking. The way you cook your food sometimes or affects its glycemic index. Thank you for watching. In our next video, I'm going to list different foods and their glycemic index. Thank you for watching. Do well to share to a friend because I know that this information is very important for everyone who eats dairy. Thank you.